will show you how to make a very super mini awesome tank, and it is very easy to mend it. You need to follow me. First, we have to take this part. See this 8 parts. Then we have to take this small 2 parts like a rectangle. Then we have to join here. See? See. Then we have to take this part, which you can see. This we have to put on the back of the tank, or the body of the tank. Then we have to take this part. You can see this 4, like. Then we have to put here. Then again we have to take another side of the part. Like this, we have to same we have to put on the side. Let me find where it is. I have it, but I don't know where it is in this, because I have too many Lego parts. I think somewhere it will be this. Yes, here it is. Same to same here and here. Then we have to put on the another side of the body like this. Then we have to take these 2 pieces of 8 pieces. These 2 8 pieces. Then we have to take this standing line. These 4 parts. Then we have to put here. Like this. Then we have to take only same to same we have to put on the other side. Then we have to take this part. You can see this part like a drill. We have to put in the center of this side here. So on the side to side, which I show you here, and side to side, we have to mend this 2 black pieces, 1 pieces like this. Then we have to put on the side to side. Look, like this. Then we have to do all this same to same like on the side. Then we have to put on the side to side here like this. Then sorry, it was just blown up. Look, like this. Then on the same to same, you have to put on the side, another side. Look, like this. On the top of the tank, no, on the bottom of the tank, we have to put these 8 pieces again, like here, because it will be too backwards. It will be showing 2 pieces, and frontwards it will be 3 pieces. Because this is very nice and very cool that I'm gonna show you how to mend. And this medal, you can see this medal, it is little bit its silver is gone, so that's why it is looking like this, looking old. You have to put, this is the back and this is the front. You have to put this on the back of the tank, okay, like this. to hold this and this. Then we have to take this part. Then we have to take this, which you can see this is a square part which has 4 pieces on the top. We have to put here under it, not under it, top of it, like this. Then we have to put, if you can see this medal is here, you have to put same to same here, square again. To joint it, we need like this. Then we need these 2 parts which you can see here. Then we have to put, like we have to joint it very hard to look like this. You have to joint it. You can see it is jointed. Now we have to put on the top of this thing. You have to put on the top this 1 star of a photo. It is also looking like old. Its silver is gold. Look. Then we have to put here. Very hard. Look. Now it is jointed. Now it's looking like this. Then we have to take these 2 pieces, like you can see. Then we have to join side to side of this, like this. Too sleepy. Look like this. We have to mend it. Then we have to put this 1 gun on the side. Then the second gun on another side. Look, like this we have to mend it. Then we have to put here like this. Like this. Then look, it is awesome or not awesome. Please tell me in the comment section. And this also the last part of the tank to pull this out. If you want to pull, you can pull and it will be thrown like this. You know, it is nice. So please tell me in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel and please like to my channel. Bye. See you later. Please subscribe and please put the notifications on and please like to this video to know about my videos and anything. Bye. See you later. Bye.